You see this chicken pepper soup? It's not just food, it's therapy in a bowl, perfect for rainy days, cold nights, all those moments when life just need a little pepper and love. Today I will show you how I make my rich, flavorful chicken pepper soup. Let's start with the basics, my simple, flavored packed ingredients. That's all the ingredients we need for this magic in a pot. For this recipe, I'm using old jumbo layer chicken. Tough, yes, but when it cooks down, it gives you a rich broth that's unbeatable. First things first, clean chicken, clean flavor. I wash the chicken thoroughly, removing any extra skin or feathers until it's perfectly clean. Then I placed it into a clean pot, ready to build layers of flavor. This step is so important, especially when you're using old layer jumbo chicken. Next, I season the chicken directly in the pot. A little salt, few seasoning cubes, simple but powerful. Then I blend my fresh habanero pepper and onion together to make a thick aromatic paste. This mixture adds both heat and that beautiful color you will love. I pour the pepper blend straight into the chicken. Add my pepper soup spice. So here's the secret. I didn't add water yet. Allow the chicken to steam slowly in its own juice. That's how you lock in that deep flavor before adding anything else. Just stir everything together properly. Then I cover the pot and let it cook for a few minutes. While the chicken is steaming, I went ahead to prepare my scent leaf. I removed the leaf from the stem, wash them thoroughly, and slice them gently. This leaf is what gives your pepper soup that signature aroma, the one that makes your neighbor start knocking. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our delicious meals, because more are coming. After for about 10 to 15 minutes, I opened the pot. You can already smell the magic. I gave it a good stir, test and adjust if needed. The chicken is releasing its natural stock, so now it's time to add a little more water, just enough to cover the meat. Remember, we want a rich broth, not a watery soup. I go in with more seasoning, dry pepper for extra heat, a little salt if needed, and of course our dry belletete leaf. For that deep earthly flavor, I stirred, taste, and let everything simmer gently so the spice blends perfectly with the chicken. When the chicken has perfectly cooked, it's time to finish up. I added my sliced scent leaf, stirred gently, and leave it for just 1 minute. Don't overcook it. We want the leaf fresh, bright, and aromatic. And that's it. Our chicken pepper soup is ready. Look at that rich broth, soft chicken, and beautiful color. I'm pairing mine with white rice. It's simple, clean, and it let the soup shine. You can also enjoy it alone or with boiled yam, depending on your mood. What do you like pairing your chicken pepper soup with? Drop in the comment section. Good food, good vibe, every single time. That's Meals by Mercy. Taste that hits. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, subscribe and share with someone. Thanks for watching. Bye.